Rise and Rebuild Morning Reset segment. Start where you are. Mondays aren't about perfection. They're about reeling, breathing, and being again. This segment helps your audience release last week's heaviness and walk into the next week with clarity and intention. Message of the week. You don't have to restart your whole life. Just reset your mindset. Reset prompts. What do I need to let go of right now? What can I choose differently today? What is one thing I want to feel this week? Weekly reset action. Take 3 minutes each morning to pause, breathe, and deeply and speak on one positive intention over your day. Scripture and inspiration. Be transformed by the renewing of your mind. Romans 12:2. Affirmation. I reset, I refocus, and I rise with purpose.